welcome to S3 Cloud Up. Today we are starting our journey into the world of version control. So this is our fourth video of our series, and we will cover the basics of version control and essential tools for developers. Okay, so let's start. So first is what is version control? Let's begin by understanding what is version control. So version control is a system that tracks changes to files over time. It allows you to recall specific version later, similar to an undo button, but for an entire project. This is especially useful when working on complex projects where you need to keep track of changes and collaborate with others. Okay, then so why is version control is so important? So first it helps manage multiple versions of a project. So you can easily switch between different states of your work. Second, it facilitates collaboration by allowing multiple people to work on the same project simultaneously without overwriting each other's changes. Finally, if something goes wrong, version control lets you revert to a previous state, saving you from potential headaches. Okay. Then types of version control system. So mainly there are three types of version control system: local, centralized, and distributed. Each of these has involved to meet different needs in the development process. So let's take a closer look at each one. So first is local version control. So we have local version control, that the earliest form of version control. Okay, in this system all versions are stored on a local machine. While it was a good starting point, it has its limitations, especially when it comes to collaboration and tracking changes across multiple devices. Okay, then second is centralized version control. This system uses a central server to store all versions of project. One example of this is a SVN or subversion. While it centralized control and specifies certain aspects of a version management, it can a single point of failure. If the server goes down, everyone's access to the project is affected. Okay, then third one is a distributed version control, which is the most modern and widely used system today. In this system, every user has a complete copy of the repository, including its entire history. Git, for example, is a distributed system that allows for greater flexibility, especially when it comes to branching and merging. This makes it ideal for both individual and teams projects. So we will use in this course, we will use a Git version control. Okay, with deeply knowledge. Then version control is integral to software development. It tracks progress at every stage of development life cycle, allowing multiple developers to work on the same projects simultaneously. Whether it's coding, testing, or deploying, version control ensures that every change is in documented, reversible, and manageable. Okay. Let's recap the key points. Version control is essential for managing changes to your files, essentially in collaborative environments. It supports multiple versions, enables collaboration, and provides an easy way to revert to previous states. Whether you are working alone or in a team, mastering version control is crucial for efficient and error-free deployment. So now you can understand what is version control. Okay, so thank you for the watching the video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.